Hi ladies, today we're going to talk about 5 ways to improve your bone density. Now, most of you may not realize this, but especially for Asian women, because of our diet and all, we will suffer from some form of osteoporosis or brittle bones as we age. Without estrogen when you have menopause, this will actually escalate, and that is very important that we know how some of the things that we can do now to prevent further deterioration of our bones. Now, today we're going to talk about the 5 ways to improve it. Number one is actually to increase calcium and vitamin D. Now, these are very important nutrients in maintaining healthy bones. After menopause, bone loss increases, and women need to increase their intake of calcium and vitamin D to keep their bones healthy. Now, for most of us who live in tropical areas where you think that you are always in the sun, we actually do not have, we are not absorbing the vitamin D at all. A lot of Asian women, because of wanting to have very fair skin and prevent pigmentation, this can actually make it worse because they are not really absorbing any vitamin D. Now, one of the best ways is when you go for morning walks. Morning sun is always better than the evening ones, but you do need to have the supplement. Try to find vitamin D which are at least 25,000 IU and above, because the more generic ones may not be sufficient. Now, vitamin D is crucial because it helps overall well-being, as well as your the bone loss deterioration will be reduced. And you need to look at how you can increase this in your diet, usually with fortified foods, things like green leafy vegetables, fatty fish, egg yolks, that can help with your overall diet as well. Calcium obviously is from your dairy products and leafy green vegetables. I personally like to buy vitamins that has calcium and high dose of magnesium, because magnesium helps the calcium to work better, and it's also a great supplement to help you with joint pains, muscle aches, and helps you with sleeping better as well. So this is something that I hope that you will implement in your diet, and it's just a small change. As well as try to understand that with vitamin D, we, especially Chinese women, we are not absorbing and how not exactly processing the vitamin D as well as most races. Number two is you have to exercise. Now, I talked about exercising a lot because that's also to reduce your love handles and to keeping fit. But exercise with weight bearing exercises. So carry some weights, where we talked about even light weights of 2 kilos, 1 kilo, because that will, and even your body weight. So this is something very important because it compacts and helps with the bone structure as well. Try to do some resistance so that you can help to maintain bone density. If you are smoking, please quit. I think that's a no-brainer. We've been talking about how smoking is really harmful for our health. Maybe reduce or quit alcohol altogether. I still like my occasional wine, so I will not quit, but it's just to have moderation in your diet. Eat a balanced diet, obviously. So you have to look at a diet rich in fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, legumes, beans, that will help with the maintenance of your bone health. Now again, there is as well as consider things like HRT or even a plant-based estrogen, things like that to help you maintain your overall bone density. So I hope that this has been helpful. Please note that this is not health advice. Do check with your health provider for and check your and do your regular checks to make sure that you are doing what you need to do to increase and maintain bone health. Thank you. Bye bye.